And welcome back to the Market Wolf. I am the Market Wolf, where I give you the best bear case, the best bull case, and I give you my opinion. I wanted to cut a quick video on Tesla tonight, considering the major breakdown we had. And I am not often incorrect, but remember, I said the most bearish I thought we could get would be to come down to $193.69. We've actually broken down further much sooner than I expected, coming off of the heel of the news today about Tesla's earnings. But if you look at the earnings this time around, really they weren't that different compared to what was estimated and what was reported. Really, back in October was the major kind of letdown, and so you can see why Tesla has been going down. But actually, when people start to relax and they see this as progress, I think buyers are likely to step back in. But that said, I do want you to I want to show you where I believe Tesla is going now, and I think in the trading day tomorrow, we're likely to either see Tesla flag right here. However, I think it's more likely, and this is my opinion, that we are going to break all the way down to test the bottom of this channel at this white line here. Earlier today, I think I said about 175, if it broke 175. That was an estimate because I was busy and I didn't really have a good handle on this, but you know, I guess we could say we have to estimate where this will likely come down and how long it will take. But where you might break that would be past maybe 169. It just depends. You're going to have to keep a close eye on that. But I suspect that we either find support there or we do break all the way down to 151.84 and find support there. Now, it's all very bearish right now, but what I want you to understand is that inside this green box that I have highlighted here, we have lots and lots of buyers within this box, lots of good incoming volume going all the way back really to January of 2023. We've had buyers step into this area. Also on the 3-day time frame, if you look at it historically, we're so oversold that typically you start to see buyers step back in pretty soon in this area. That said, you know, we've got to pay attention, because if this wanted to get really crazy and break down all the way to complete a pattern at like 109.12, that's certainly possible. But my opinion is that would be the bearish of bear cases, and things do look very bearish right now. I'm not going to lie about that, that's for sure. But I really think that this is so oversold at this point that you start to see buyers step back in this area at some point and you get a bottom. I really think we've got to come back up still and test the death cross on the 4-hour and also the daily time frame now that we've had. And that would put us at a big major back test, coming back up all the way to about $230.21 and possibly breaking above that. So if you're terrified right now and you're just you're working purely off emotion, you need to relax, take a step back, and think about a strategy for yourself. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my opinions of what I'm seeing on this chart. This is for entertainment purposes. But, you know, I know for me personally, when I get in this kind of situation, you can end up like where you just can't think, and you have to take a step back and really clear your head and think about things clearly. So what I'm seeing here is, yes, I mean, exiting volume is ramping up, but, you know, we're so oversold, and historically Tesla hasn't gone further oversold. And that makes me believe that this is the area we're targeting right here, likely where we'll see buyers step back in. Now, where we back test from there and get a bounce, we'll have to see. You know, your first area of support is going to be this downward channel. Perhaps we get support there. Again, I think It's highly likely we break through that support though, possibly coming all the way down to 151.84, but that certainly does not have to happen. We could see a situation where we get support and we flag across here and try and do a short back test up and then break back down to there and then get a big bounce up and work our way up again. So that's the best bear case. That's also my opinion. I think your best bull case is that you land support where you're at right here on essentially 182.21, and you flag generally in that area, and you come back up and get support on 193.69, and you hold that and you close up here. If you can close up here in this range, you could really get good support and really try and work your way up and back test the top of this descending channel again in the short term. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm feeling. This is the Market Wolf. Hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you next time.